today is speaker's post election. What do you think? What do you
See, whatever is the whoever has the numbers will win. So both have filed, Congress and NDA. It is BJP. One of the senior most MLA of the BJP has filed. So whoever has the numbers will definitely win.
Number ruling side na.
Depends.
Are you relaxed now? Because time and again you had said, I don't want to be on the speaker's post. Are you relaxed now and still there are chances for you? Ministry ba kitne pure?
That depends on the chief minister and the party.
But you are still
Let them decide.
But you are still expecting.
See,
because you are not a speaker on the speaker's post. Or speaker.
Every person in this world expects something or the other. And he has to work for it. Nothing comes free. So I'm working.
Has Michael not worked?
I'm always working. So when my real time comes, I will get what is required. For the people, definitely wins again. So if you become minister, if you become chief minister also, if you do not work, what is the use? So last time chief minister is not there as a MLA also in this house. So that is very important. You need to be working for the people. When you become minister, you have to work for the people of Goa. Forget about your constituency only. So those people, nine MLAs who were ministers last time, did not even work for the people of their constituency. Forget about working for Goa. So they were sent packing home.
So what do you have to say about
So you have to work.
Time and again, every time and again, Michael has sacrificed for
I am
this
not
government.
sacrificing. If I get, I am going to take. And when you take, you have to work for the people of Goa.
Oh.
You have to work. You have to continuously work. So Chief Minister has to see who are the people who are working. We have the numbers today. We have 17 numbers. Single largest party.
But time and again तुमको deny केला.
Deny केलेला sir because तुम्ही
See,
sacrifice केलं.
let us understand
part of the government formation and
that
तुम्ही असेल.
out of 13, government was formed. So today we are in comfortable position.
So they can give
So
you one
today
ministry.
is the time the party has to deliver
So-
to those people who work hard.
So CM can give one ministry
Yeah,
to you now.
definitely.